If you're not able to shoot live motion capture then and now, but you have an idea, don't let it fade away. Core is an excellent way to shoot motion capture on your own time and in a pinch. You don't have to set up your studio, you just need yourself, your camera, and your moves. And then you're done with it. Let's not be rude, I'm Peter from RADiCAL, your community manager and fitness instructor, and today I'm going to do some star jumps for you. I'm also going to show you how to shoot your first core clip and upload it into RADiCAL. Let's get into it. Shooting a core clip is virtually identical to shooting live. The only difference is you upload it later. And that's what I'm going to do right now. So, I've got my lovely workspace and I'm just going to set up. All you need is a camera, get it into frame, just like that. Make sure everything is fine. You'll want to be able to fit within the frame perfectly, just like this. So I'm in my corner, and then you can start with the T-pose, and then you do your motions. So just like that. Okay, and then what you do is you take that clip and you process it and upload it later. From the dashboard, press the Create Motion button on the left-hand side. This will open a panel for you to drag and drop your files in and search for them directly through the Explorer or Finder. There's also some helpful reminders and a show guide on the right to give you some quick tips and an example. You can upload just one clip, or if you're on a professional account, you can batch upload multiple. Once the file has been added, it will begin the process of being uploaded to our servers and examined by our AI. The clips will then be named after the file type it's been uploaded, but you can rename this later. This will take some time depending on how long the clip is and how much motion is being sampled. As long as you don't close the window or panel, you can resume with other work. Once it's been uploaded, the clip will automatically open. The clip interface is comprised of 3 panels: the preview, the information, and the upload data. The preview is a looped motion cycle of your animation. You can orbit around the character with the left mouse, click and drag. You can also adjust some preview settings for lightings through our HDRIs and adjust the characters to show and display character joints, and toggle full screen. At the bottom left of the preview is the reference video. Click it and it will open a picture-in-picture view for you to compare the accuracy of your motions. A timeline with a play-pause button allows you to scrub and play back the motions from a specific spot. From the top, you have a drop down between FBX or BOB files. These files will be downloaded to your computer and can be brought into external software. Below is link sharing. By default, these motion clips will only be private to you, giving you the URL will not share it. However, to enable sharing, press the edit button next to the share icon and switch it to on. This will allow the motion clip to be shareable with others. While this is shareable, it is important to know that it is not directly searchable on the web. In this sense, it's more like a YouTube unlisted video where it's only visible to anyone with the URL link. Below is the option to embed the motion clip into a web page and copy and share the URL. And then is information regarding the AI versioning. We periodically update the AI with new improvements and features. You'll be able to compare with the latest and update from this window. Finally, any information regarding the quality of the scene, such as the shooting aspect ratio and the camera percentage and methods to improve. You will also have a notes text editor for any reminders for you or your team. Finally, at the bottom is the upload data for everything. There you'll have the name of the project, the group, the duration, frame rate, date and time of upload, and file upload name. To find the clip, you can return from the dashboard, select the motion group, and find the section for recent core clips. Click on the clip to open it in a new tab. You can rename, move, or delete clips from the dashboard. Find your clip, select the 3 dots, and then you can adjust or delete as you require. Core is an excellent way in prototyping your motions without you being stuck down to your work desk. You just get yourself, you get a camera, and you just go. For more information on this topic, including ideal situations and how to shoot Core, please see our resources page linked below. Core is available for all, and it's within RADiCAL.